Climate change isn't a distant threat. It is an active crisis unfolding right beneath our feet. Depleted groundwater, degraded soil, and toxic smoke from stubble burning are rapidly fracturing our planet's fragile ecosystems. To address these challenges, Manav Vikas Sansthan is working with farming communities to promote climate resilient and biodiversity friendly agriculture practices. Through climate smart agriculture like direct seeded rice and alternate wetting and drying, we are conserving millions of liters of water. By introducing crop residue management, we eliminate toxic burning while enriching soil microbiology. Agroforestry plantations are restoring green cover, improving soil health, and supporting biodiversity across agricultural landscapes. By anchoring localized water security, farm ponds serve as critical ecological buffers that shield agricultural landscapes from climate volatility. Kitchen gardens are improving household nutrition while encouraging communities to reconnect with sustainable and biodiversity friendly farming. Miyawaki plantations are restoring native green cover and creating dense microforests that support local biodiversity. At Manav Vikas Sansthan, biodiversity conservation is not just about protecting nature, it is about building a sustainable future where farming communities and ecosystems thrive together.